2012 Pilot. Optimal utility, indulgent interior, powerful performer. You'll be ready for almost anything in the Honda Pilot. This vehicle has less than 55,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, dual airbags, air conditioning, front, power steering, AM/FM stereo with CD player, four-wheel disc brakes, electronic stability control, fog lights, power windows, rear window defroster, CD player, trip computer, security system, tachometer, brake assist, panic alarm, overhead console, remote keyless entry, tilt steering wheel, front bucket seats. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.